What if you could witness the entire history of everything? From the first spark of creation to the last whisper of existence. How did the universe begin? How will it end? What happens after all the stars die? After all the galaxies fade? After even black holes evaporate into nothing? Science has painted a stunning picture of our cosmic destiny, a journey from infinite energy to absolute silence. This is the largest timeline ever mapped, 13.8 billion years, compressed into 20 minutes. In the beginning, there was nothing. Not darkness, not emptiness, nothing. No space, no time, no matter, no energy, just mathematical potential. And then, in an instant, smaller than the smallest fraction of a second we can conceive, everything exploded into existence. This is the story of our universe. From its first quantum breath, 13.8 billion years ago, to its final whisper in the unimaginable future. You're about to witness the largest timeline ever mapped, the complete journey from Big Bang to heat death, 20 minutes that compress eternity itself.
The universe was a nuclear forge.
At 388 University with Unilever Schools.
"300 million years after creation, the universe ignited. The first stars, massive, brilliant, and doomed, ended the cosmic dark ages. These ancient suns burned through their fuel in mere millions of years, then exploded, seeding space with the heavy elements that would one day build planets, and perhaps consciousness itself. Every atom in your body was forged in the nuclear heart of a dying star. You are made of stardust, contemplating stardust.
Enriched gas clouds, now laced with carbon, oxygen, and iron, begin.
Four and a half billion years ago, in an unremarkable spiral arm of an unremarkable galaxy, a cloud of gas and dust began to collapse. The sun ignited. Planets coalesced from the debris. And on the third rock from that newborn star, something extraordinary was about to happen. A collision between two worlds would create the moon, stabilize Earth's axis, and set the stage for the most complex phenomenon we know: life.
3.5 billion years ago, deep in the primordial ocean, life began.
A slow drift across the Precambrian seafloor reveals the Ediacaran biota.
In warm, shallow pools, or perhaps near volcanic vents on the ocean floor, chemistry became biology. Simple molecules organized into self-replicating patterns. Life emerged not through magic, but through the relentless logic of chemistry and physics. From those first primitive cells would come everything. Every flower, every tree, every thinking mind that has ever pondered its own existence. We are the universe becoming aware of itself.
This was the moment of the KP extinction, an event that wiped out nearly 75% of all life on Earth.
Evolution is not a gentle process. 5 times mass extinctions nearly sterilized Earth. The worst, the Permian-Triassic event, killed 96% of all species. Yet life persisted, adapted, diversified. Extinction creates opportunity. The death of the dinosaurs opened ecological niches for mammals, for primates, for you. We exist because of catastrophe, not despite it.
A geological force that would redefine the human impact on.
Here we are, now, the present moment. 13.8 billion years after the beginning, the universe has evolved from pure energy to quarks, atoms, molecules, stars, planets, and conscious observers. We live in the brief golden age of the cosmos, when stars still shine, galaxies still form, and complexity reaches its peak. But this moment, like all moments, is temporary. The future is not infinite. In 4 billion years, our galaxy will collide with Andromeda. The night sky will be transformed into a spectacular display of merging galaxies, but Earth won't survive to see it. Long before that cosmic collision, our sun will enter its death throes, swelling into a red giant and consuming the planet that gave birth to consciousness. After 6 billion years of steady burning, the sun exhausts its hydrogen fuel. It swells, engulfs Earth, then sheds its outer layers in a beautiful planetary nebula. What remains is a white dwarf, a stellar corpse the size of Earth but with the mass of the sun. Slowly, inexorably, it cools. The solar system becomes a graveyard, orbiting a dying ember.
A billion years hence, the sun's luminosity has increased 10%. Earth's oceans are evaporating.
This is the moment of impact. In a spectative merge splashing of a
100 billion years from now, the last star will form. Galaxies will have exhausted their gas. No more stellar nurseries, no more newborn suns. The universe has entered permanent stellar decline. From this point forward, the cosmos only grows darker, colder, emptier. The stelliferous era, the age of starlight, draws to a close.
The iron core exposed, Earth is torn apart by the relentless gravity of the red giant.
A trillion years pass, then 10 trillion, 100 trillion. All the stars have died. The universe is now populated by stellar corpses, white dwarfs, neutron stars, and black holes. Galaxies evaporate as gravitational interactions eject dead stars into the void. The cosmos is entering the degenerate era, an age measured not in billions of years, but in timescales that dwarf the entire history we've witnessed so far.
We are witnessing the ultimate fate of the cosmos.
Black holes now dominate the universe, but even these ultimate gravitational prisons are not eternal. Through Hawking radiation, a quantum process so slow it defies comprehension, black holes evaporate. A stellar mass black hole takes 10 to the 67th years to disappear. Supermassive black holes take even longer. But quantum mechanics is patient. Eventually, even black holes surrender to entropy.
T plus 10 to the power of 100 years. Temperature near absolute zero. Maximum entropy achieved.
Ten to the 100th years, a Google years. The last supermassive black hole explodes in a final burst of Hawking radiation. With its death, the last organized structure in the universe disappears. No more stars, no more planets, no more galaxies, no more black holes. Just photons, stretched to infinite wavelength, particles at near absolute zero, perfect thermodynamic equilibrium. Heat death. The universe has reached maximum entropy. No free energy remains to do work. No processes can occur. Time itself becomes meaningless. There is no change to measure time against. The cosmos has reached its final state, eternal, unchanging, silent. The universe that began with violent creation ends in absolute peace.
Beyond the decay of matter lies the Platonic realm, where the universe's mathematical structures exist as a logical necessity.
From this timeless perspective, the universe's entire history exists simultaneously.
As we approach the event horizon, we see the universe's entire history preserved, encoded in these subtle quantum correlations.
Before we witness our final reflection on this impossible journey, if you've made it this far through 20 minutes spanning eternity itself, you're part of something special. Hit that subscribe button to explore more cosmic mysteries with us, from the quantum realm to the edge of the observable universe. Leave a like if this timeline filled you with existential awe, cosmic dread, or scientific wonder. And drop a comment below. Does knowing the universe's ultimate fate change how you view your own existence? Now let's contemplate what this cosmic journey means.
The arrow of time guides us from creation to the inevitable end.
From quantum fluctuation to heat death, from infinite density to infinite emptiness, from pure energy to absolute stillness. The universe's journey is complete. But what does this ending mean? Perhaps the heat death is not tragedy, but inevitability, the natural conclusion to a story that began with the Big Bang. We are fortunate to exist during the brief cosmic moment when stars shine, galaxies form, and consciousness emerges to witness it all. The universe gave rise to observers who could understand their own cosmic context. For a fleeting instant in cosmic time, matter organized itself into patterns complex enough to contemplate eternity. We are how the universe knows itself, and that knowledge,
We finally understand the cosmic timeline, from the Big Bang to the final stillness of heat death.
that brief flowering of awareness in an otherwise unconscious cosmos, that is meaning enough. As the physicist Carl Sagan said, we are a way for the cosmos to know itself. Our existence, however temporary, transforms the universe from mere physics into something greater, a story, an epic, a journey from beginning to end.